Hello friends, so up to 40 or 41, 42 and 43. 1 upon e raised to x plus e raised to minus x. I 1 upon e raised to x, and this is 1 upon e raised to x. E raised to x LCM and upside multiply. So upside e raised to x. Downside do not write e raised to 2x, but e raised to x into e raised to x, e raised to x whole square plus 1. Now taking e raised to x equal to t. So e raised to x dx 1 dt. E raised to x dx 1 dt. E raised to x whole square. So e raised to x is a t. So t square plus 1. This is a formula 1 by a tan inverse t by a plus c. And what is t? E raised to x. Or the next 42 cos x plus sin x and cos 2x. So cos 2x formula cos square x minus sin square x upon cos x plus sin x whole square dx. Now difference of square and one time bracket cancel. Cos x minus sin x and cos x plus sin x upon cos x plus sin x whole square dx, and one time cancel. So integration cos x minus sin x upon cos x plus sin x. Cos derivation is minus sin, sin derivation is cos. So taking cos plus sin equal to t. Cos derivation is minus sin, sin derivation is cos dx 1 dt. Putting our data in our integration, cos minus sin and dx 1 dt, and cos x plus sin x is our t, 1 by t, integration log mod t plus c. And putting the value of t, what is t? Cos plus sin. To answer log mod cos plus sin plus c. Ready? Next, number 43, MCQ. If f of a plus b minus x equal to f of x, then integration a to b x into f of x dx equal to dash. बराबर? चलो आपके पास ऑप्शन है ए बी सी डी. Here given data f of a plus b minus x equal to f of x and I equal to integration a to b x f of x. क्वेश्चन में से लग रहा है कि a plus b मीन्स एडिशन ऑफ लिमिट माइनस x करना पड़ेगा. ओके, चलो तो अप्लाइंग अवर रूल. x equal to putting a plus b minus x, and here f of x, तो सेम x equal to a plus b minus x, and here given data f of a plus b minus x is a f of x. So I a to b a plus b minus x into f of x dx. Okay, so now adding 1 and 2. So I plus I to I, a to b इक्वेशन 1 x into f of x plus a plus b minus x into f of x dx. तो easily f of x common, then bracket is x plus a plus b minus x dx. X cancel. A plus b is constant, taking outside. Integration a to b f of x dx. चलो तो check your options A, B, C, D. Take 2A नहीं 2I. हाँ, take 2 downside. तो आंसर ऑफ I इक्वल टू A प्लस B बाई 2 इंटीग्रेशन A to B f of x dx. एक ऑप्शन होगा कोई, ठीक है. चलो तो नाउ जस्ट वन सम लेफ्ट विच इज 44. Hello friends, so up to 43 over, okay, last sum of our exercise and then example number 37 to up to end continue, okay. Number 44, second chapter related inverse trigonometry related this integration term. I equal to 0 to 1 tan inverse bracket downside 1 plus x common, then bracket 1 minus x dx. Now in inverse trigonometry, if downside 1 plus xy, downside we are 1 fix, so 1 ready, plus sign to plus sign ready, x into y, so we need upside x minus y, and this is the formula of tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. And one thing fixed, here as a product of two terms, same these two terms as a subtraction here, but same term होनी चाहिए. One thing fixed, if here plus तो here minus, and if here minus तो here plus. चलो तो here x and 1 minus x ने, तो 2x equal to x plus x and minus 1. Okay, so two terms ready, but difference is first term x, second term is x minus 1, and here plus sign, here also plus sign, which is not possible. तो वो यहाँ पर term ही different है जो, x ready, x into y, तो x and y, x into 1 minus x, तो x and x minus 1. तो क्या करेंगे, ऑफसाइड प्लस, यहां पर तो कोई चेंज नहीं कर सकते, तो टेकिंग हियर माइनस साइन कॉमन, तो यहां पर माइनस हो जाएगा. ओके, I इक्वल टू 0 to 1 tan inverse ब्रैकेट x plus x minus 1 upon 1 minus common, and then bracket becomes x minus 1 dx. So I equal to 0 to 1. Okay, so now plus upon minus, right? So this is the formula of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So this is the formula of tan inverse x plus tan inverse x minus 1. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse x minus 1 dx. Okay. I equal to first, जो अभी क्या करेंगे, we know that integration of any inverse, बराबर, integration of any inverse, how to find, UV method. तो here tan inverse, here tan inverse, तो double time UV method or not? Okay. Then how to find? पहले तो एक काम करो, डबल टाइम यूवी नहीं करना है, वी कैन मिक्स 0 to 1 tan inverse x dx plus integration 0 to 1 tan inverse x minus 1 dx. First integration as it is. And in the second integration, applying addition of limit minus x. In the second integration, applying addition of limit minus x. It is possible if you have two integrations, so you can apply your addition of limit minus x in the one integration. So here, 1 minute. तो applying here addition of limit minus x, tan inverse bracket x equal to putting 1 minus x and minus 1 as it is dx I 0 to 1 tan inverse x dx plus 0 to 1 tan inverse 1 cancel and minus x dx I equal to integration 0 to 1 tan inverse x dx, tan inverse से negative तो negative outside, integration 0 to 1 tan inverse x dx. चलो आंसर क्या होगा, both the term same, limit same, term same, subtraction, cut and answer 0. अगर आप यहाँ पर यूवी अप्लाई कर लेते तो कितना लेंदी होता है, हियर अप्लाइंग यूवी हियर, देन बाद में टोटल एकदम कट एंड आंसर 0. हियर हमने यहाँ पर रूल अप्लाई किया तो डायरेक्ट आंसर 0. ओके डन. चलो दिस इज योर सम नंबर 44. तो हियर अवर एक्सरसाइज ओवर. नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल नंबर 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42 एंड 43 एंड 44, बट 44 हमने कर लिया है, अप टू 43 बाकी है. ठीक है. चलो सो लेट्स स्टार्ट नंबर 37. cos 6x under root 1 plus sin 6x. So what is the process? In the root there is a 1 plus sin 6x. So taking sin equal to t, so cos x dx equal to dt. Cos 6x into 6 dx 1 dt. We have cos 6x dx 1 by 6 dt. Okay, now putting all data in our integration. Under root 1 plus sin means t, cos n dx 1 by 6 dt, 1 by 6 outside, and this integration t power 1, but whole power is not 1, so 1 power increase upon power plus c. Okay, 2 upside, so 2 by 18, 1 by 9. Putting the value of t means sine 6x plus 1 raised to 3 by 2 and plus c. Number 38. X power 4 minus x upon x power 5. So from this bracket, taking the x power 4 common, you know very well about this method. Okay. Integration. From the bracket x power 4 common, but outside it will become x power 4 raised to 1 by 4. It means outside only x. But for the bracket x power 4 common, so here 1 minus x by x power 4, so 1 upon x cube raised to 1 by 4 upon x raised to 5 dx. 1 time cancel, here left x power 4. So integration 1 minus 1 by x cube upon x power 4, and upside whole power is 1 by 4 dx. Ready? Now 1 upon x cube equal to t. Derivation of 1 by x cube is minus 3 by x power 4. So taking 1 by x cube equal to t, to minus 3 by x raised to 4 dx equal to 1 dt. But we have 1 by x power 4. So 1 by x power 4 equal to minus 1 by 3 and dt. Now putting all data in our integration. 1 minus 1 upon x cube means t raised to 1 by 4. And 1 upon x power 4 and dx equal to minus 1 by 3 and dt. Minus 1 by 3 outside. And this integration, 1 power increase divided by power upon, do not forget to put the coefficient of x, but here coefficient of t is minus 1. So 1 minus t, 1 power increase, 1 by 4 plus 1, 5 by 4. Upon 5 by 4 into coefficient of t is minus 1 and plus c, indefinite integration. Okay, minus minus cancel, here 1 by 3 and here 5 by 4. So 1 by 3 upon 5 by 4 ना, तो क्या होगा 4 upside and 5 3s are 15. Understood? So 4 by 15. And in the bracket putting the value of t, what is t? 1 upon x cube. So 1 minus 1 upon x cube raised to 5 by 4 and plus c. Okay, चलो you can take the LCM here. Okay, आपको अगर process करनी है तो ठीक है. तो 2 illustrations over 37 and 38. In the next part, taking the number 39. Next example number 39. Integration x power 4 upon x minus 1 and x square plus 1. So this is the method about integration by parts or partial fraction or not? No. This is not according to denominator, this is partial fraction, but according to our question, this is not partial fraction method, because partial fraction method means if higher power downside, then we can use partial fraction method. This product is x cube, but higher power is upside. Okay, तो जो एक क्या करते हैं सिंपल x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 हियर. तो यहां पर क्या करते हैं, अगर हम यहां पर माइनस 1 कर दे, माइनस 1 एंड प्लस 1, तो इफ हियर माइनस 1, तो डिफरेंस ऑफ स्क्वायर x स्क्वायर माइनस 1 एंड x स्क्वायर प्लस 1, तो x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 डायरेक्ट कट एंड इजी. एंड बाद में क्या होगा, प्लस 1 अपॉन और वहां पर पार्शियल फ्रैक्शन, लेंदी समय है. ओके, चलो. सो integration x raised to 4 minus 1 and plus 1, and denominator separate. Okay, now x power 4 minus 1, two factors are x square minus 1, x square plus 1 upon x minus 1, x square plus 1 plus 1 upon x minus 1, x square plus 1 dx. So x square plus 1 cancel. And here also factorization, so x minus 1 also cancel. X minus 1, x plus 1 upon x minus 1 and plus 1 upon x minus 1, x square plus 1 dx. Now x minus 1 cancel. So equal to integration x plus 1 dx plus integration 1 upon x minus 1 and x square plus 1. Okay, so first integration is easy and second integration is partial fraction method. So equal to I1 plus I2. Now solving I1, integration x plus 1 dx. So I1 x square by 2 plus x and plus c1. Now I2 we know the lengthy method. One upon x minus 1 and x square plus 1. Okay, so taking a upon n bx plus c upon, taking 1 upon x minus 1, x square plus 1 equal to a upon x minus 1 plus bx plus c upon x square plus 1. Okay, so this one is a 1 2, so now this is 3. Now multiplying both the sides by denominator. Multiplying both the sides by denominator is x minus 1, x square plus 1. So here only only 1. Now a into x square plus 1 and bx plus c into x minus 1. So this bracket equal to 0, so x equal to 1. But this bracket equal to 0, so x square equal to minus 1. It means we can put only one value, and out of these three, any one we can find out of ABC. Okay, so we need equation number 5. Okay, so multiply and combine. 1 equal to ax square plus a plus multiply bx square minus bx plus cx minus c. Now arranging, so 1 equal to here ax square and bx square, x square common, a plus b into x square. Now x plus x common, so minus b and plus c, and constant a minus c plus. Okay, so now finding the value of a, b, c. So first by putting x equal to 1 in equation number 4, देखते हैं चलो हमें क्या मिलता है. ठीक है, आई थिंक ए मिल जाएगा, तो बी एंड सी यहां से फाइंड करेंगे. ओके, इफ x equal to 1, x equal to 1 put in the equation 4. So x equal to 1 here, तो 1 minus 1 0, 1 plus 1 2, 2a, 1 equal to 2a. So a equal to 1 by 2. A ready. Now this side in equation number 5, coefficient of x square, other side 0, coefficient of x also 0, only constant value equal to 1. So a plus b equal to 0. Now putting a, b equal to minus a, so b equal to minus 1 by 2. Now a minus c equal to 1. We need c, a minus 1, c other side and 1 other side, so a minus 1 equal to c. Okay, a 1 by 2, so c equal to 1 by 2 minus 1, minus 1 by 2. Now putting the value of ABC in equation number 1, but here equation is at 3. Okay, so 1 upon x minus 1 x square plus 1 equal to a upon x minus 1, a means 1 by 2, plus bx plus c, b and c both minus 1 by 2, so minus 1 by 2 x minus 1 by 2 upon x square plus 1. Now taking integration both the sides, 1 upon x minus 1 x square plus 1 dx equal to integration 1 by 2 upon x minus 1, एंड बाद में हम क्या करते हैं, टेकिंग माइनस 1 by 2 आउटसाइड. ओके, माइनस 1 by 2 आउटसाइड, देन टर्म इज माइनस 1 by 2 कॉमन, तो x plus 1 अपॉन x square plus 1 dx. ठीक है, आप लिख लेना यहां कहीं पर भी. ओके, चलो दिस इंटीग्रेशन कंटिन्यू. तो यहां पर क्या करेंगे, 1 by 2 common, and integration 1 upon x minus 1 is very easy. Now x plus 1 upon x square plus 1, x square and x, but यहां पर एक्स्ट्रा प्लस 1 भी है, तो सेपरेट करेंगे x upon and 1 upon, and with minus 1 by 2 multiply, तो minus 1 by 2 integration x upon x square plus 1 dx, and minus 1 by 2 integration 1 upon x square plus 1 dx. चलो ये काम आपको करना है. आंसर हम यहां पर बोल लेते हैं, 1 by 2 log mod x minus 1. एंड मैंने आपको बोला था कि जो एक्स स्क्वायर एंड एक्स कॉम्बिनेशन, ये कहां पर है, सम तो वहां से स्टार्ट हुआ है। तो यहां पर फिर से सपोज करेंगे ना कि एक्स स्क्वायर इक्वल टू टी, नहीं, अगर आपका सम लेंथी है तो सोल्व इन रफ में सोल्व कर लो, इसका आंसर आपको क्या मिल रहा है, एक्स स्क्वायर इक्वल टू टी, बराबर। तो आपको इसका आंसर मिलेगा -1/4 log mod x प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1, 1/2 log mod x माइनस 1, -1/4 log mod x स्क्वायर प्लस 1, -1/2 tan इनवर्स x एंड प्लस c2 एंड देन, तो ये जो मिलेगा वो इक्वेशन नंबर 6, इट मींस आंसर ऑफ I2। ओके, दिस इज द I2, राइट। तो I1, व्हाट इज द आंसर ऑफ I1 एंड इक्वेशन I1 प्लस I2, तो प्रोसेस क्या होगी, C1 प्लस C2। एट लास्ट putting the value of I1 and I2 in equation number 1. Equation 1 is a I1 plus I2. चलो, what is I1? आंसर हम यहां पर लिख रहे हैं, I1 is a x square by 2 plus x प्लस I2। चलो, I2 का आंसर होगा 1/2 log mod x माइनस 1, यहां पर आपको रफ में करना है, ये तो पूरा आपको सोल्व करना ही है, ठीक है, इतना आप रफ में करोगे, देन दिस आंसर एंड डायरेक्टली रफ में जो आपको आंसर मिला वो यहां पर आप जोड़ करोगे। तो इसका आंसर होगा -1/4 log mod x स्क्वेयर प्लस 1 -1/2 tan इनवर्स x and plus c, where c equal to c1 plus c2. Done? चलो, तो this is your example number 39. Hello friends, next example number 40 and mark very most IMP sum for the 2 marks. 3 marks also possible, 2 or 3. Okay. Integration log x plus 1 upon log x square dx. Everywhere log x. If in all integration term log x, then method fix. Log x equal to t. Log x equal to t. So there is a no derivation of log x, 1 upon x. Here no 1 upon x. log x equal to t, बराबर। હવે log x equal to t, तो there is a no 1 by x, तो डायरेक्टली नॉट डेरिवेशन, देन log x equal to t, तो x equal to e raised to t, differentiation rule, if we remove the log then other term e raised to, if we remove log from one side then other term e raised to, तो x equal to e raised to t, now dx equal to e raised to t, derivation is e raised to t and dt. रिपीट करते हैं, एवरीवेयर log x, तो log x equal to t, there is a no 1 by x, तो x equal to e raised to t, now dx, it means now derivation both the side, तो x is 1 and dx, e raised to t is e raised to t and dt. Now putting all data in our integration, तो integration log x, and log x means t, तो log t plus 1 upon t square, log t plus 1 upon t square, and dx equal to e raised to t dt. It means जो ये टेक्स्ट बुक में मेथड नहीं है, बट आपको कंपलसरी ये मेथड करनी है, टेक्स्ट बुक मेथड इज सो लेंथी। तो log t plus 1 by t square and e raised to t, here e raised to t and two terms, it means definitely हमने क्या किया, this method converted into e raised to x function plus derivation. Okay, but one problem, e raised to t bracket log t plus 1 by t square, તો derivation of log t is not 1 by t square. Derivation of log t is a 1 by t. બરાબર? log t derivation is a 1 upon t, but not 1 by t square. तो 1 by t square is the derivation of 1 by t. तो मीनिंग क्या करेंगे? log t प्लस 1 by t. तो ये प्रॉब्लम सोल्व हो गया. फंक्शन प्लस डेरिवेशन. नाउ देयर इज नो 1 by t in our question. तो प्लस 1 by t माइनस 1 by t एंड प्लस 1 by t स्क्वायर. तो ये प्रॉब्लम सोल्व हो गया. 1 by t इज माइनस 1 by t स्क्वायर. नाउ हमें अभी अरेंज करना है, बस देन ओवर. ओके, e raised to t bracket log t plus 1 by t, 1 bracket log t plus 1 by t, and now here minus sign common. तो ब्रैकेट क्या होगा आपका? 1 by t minus 1 by t square. 1 by t minus 1 by t square and dt. Now e raised to t multiply with both the bracket and two integration. And both the integration one formula, e raised to x function plus derivation. Okay. चलो तो first integration e raised to t log t plus 1 by t dt minus second integration e raised to t bracket 1 by t minus 1 by t square and dt. चलो फर्स्ट इंटीग्रेशन वेरी इजी, e raised to t फंक्शन प्लस डेरिवेशन, बट 1 by t डेरिवेशन इज माइनस 1 by t स्क्वायर. तो यहां पर हम एक अरेंज करेंगे, देन इंटीग्रेशन ओवर. e raised to t log t plus 1 by t dt minus इंटीग्रेशन e raised to t bracket 1 by t outside plus inside minus 1 by t square. चलो now both the formula e raised to x function plus derivation. तो equal to here answer e raised to t log t minus here answer e raised to t 1 by t and plus c, and this is a indefinite integration. Okay, so plus c. Now putting the e raised to t common, then putting the value of t. So e raised to t common, so bracket log t minus 1 by t plus c. Now putting the value of t, so here e raised to t na, so e raised to t equal to x bracket log t. हाँ, तो t इक्वल टू log x, तो log x माइनस 1 अपॉन एंड ओनली t मीन्स log x प्लस c. बराबर, हियर पुटिंग t log x, हियर पुटिंग t log x एंड हियर e raised to t, तो e raised to t इज x एंड प्लस c ओवर. चलो दिस इज योर एग्जांपल नंबर 40. Now 41, 42, 43. 3 sums left.